Hey Anthony, I hope you're doing good. I am taking a video here as I get off the highway. I've got my GPS taking me towards the first unit. I'll let you know which one it was whenever I get there or whenever I upload the unit or the video. Over here on the left, you've got the Coastal Grand Mall. So lots of, shopping and restaurants and everything over here. I'm gonna kind of show you that. I wanted to show you the area that I was referring to that's more commercial, so that's why I'm videoing all the way out here. But I'm currently on 17 bypass in Myrtle Beach. That kind of is the main drag from one end to the other. I'm going south right now, so kind of some industrial stuff here, some granite and everything, and then we're gonna get off on Harrelson Boulevard, which is where this unit is closer to. You'd be on this road quite a bit. But I think this is going to be more beneficial today, so you can kind of reference back to it and understand what areas these houses are at, or these condos. Myrtle Beach is a lot easier to do this in compared to Conway, because Conway is just, so big and there's so many different areas and it changes pretty quickly. The airport is to the left. Make sure I have a nice big opening. So you can see the airport actually straight ahead over there. You can see some landing strips. So we are 5 minutes away from the unit that we're going to. So we're coming, and you'll be able to see this all kind of on a map. We're coming over the waterway right now. So there's the waterway. Coming over the bridge. This is Harrelson Boulevard. So here's where all your industrial stuff kind of starts, and then the condo is back behind it. So you've got some trucks over there. You've got a FedEx facility. We're going left on Clay Pond Road. Let me get over in this lane. So they've got a sports mall over here. Got a church. Here's a new Ford dealership. Strand Distribution Center over there. So lots of there's a granite shop back there, an appliance shop. This is where the old amusement park used to be, but now it's I think it's a FedEx. Oh yeah, it is a FedEx facility right over there. So that huge building is a FedEx facility, and we're taking a left right here. That's a tight squeeze. I don't like that. I'll just wait. No, thank you. Modern Rush Auto and Collision Center over there. Across the street over there, that building with all the different lined roofs, that's the what is it, Medieval Times? Yeah. Some great neighborhoods back over here, but I wanted you to see this entryway because it's lots of industrial stuff. Carolina Forest is completely different. Carolina Forest is, almost all residential. Arrowhead, that's a really nice neighborhood with a golf course, so that's a nice place to be. Here's one of those apartments that you reached out about, I believe, Clay Pond Village Road. Yeah, Clay Pond Village. And here's another one that you reached out about. Here's some brick ones on the left. was the name of these? Oh yeah, Fountain Point. There's a waterway crossing. Oh, it's a stoplight, not a stop sign. Okay. So you have some little tiny homes across the street over here. Some more condos. Those are not in the best shape. They're okay. But you'll see a big difference when we drive through Carolina Forest, just to have a feel of the area. There's a lot more older stuff over here. This is more a Forest Brook area, and there's a lot more variety over here. Carolina Forest is all very new, very like colorful. Not many businesses other than like your Publix and your other stuff, but there's not any like industrial parks over there. So this again on the left is Arrowhead, so really nice golf course. There's the entrance, Arrowhead Country Club. Got some houses tucked back into the woods over here. Here's some new townhomes that they're building. Some signage for it, Longwood Lakes. That's a cute community there. So, but there's a lot more trees. It's much more woodsy over here. So we're going left on Peace Pipe Place. Oh yeah, it's gated. So I'm just gonna kind of, oh wait. Oh, this gate doesn't allow me in. It's the main gate. But this is the community back here. Let me turn myself around. There's definitely a main gate because I don't see a code right here. But that is where it is, general location of it. And I'm going to take you over into the Carolina Forest area so you can kind of feel the difference on there. This community is very cute and put together. Here's the main gate. But I have to turn the video off to get to the passcode.